Explorers! Today, we're heading to K218b, a planet 120 light-years from Earth, in the constellation of Leo. Scientists have detected water vapor in its atmosphere, a major clue that liquid water might exist. Even more exciting, it lies in the habitable zone, where life as we know it could survive. A distant world, but maybe not so different from our own. Ready to uncover its secrets? Let's go.
Hey explorers! Today I'm taking you to planet K218b. Well, we'll imagine what creatures might live there. Don't forget to subscribe and share the channel with your friends.
Meet the Strelomel, a gentle giant from planet K218b. With its long curved tusks, it protects but never attacks. It moves in peaceful herds, helping nature thrive wherever it goes, a true guardian of the glowing valleys. Now, this is the Zeramis, the apex predator of K218b's jungle. With night vision sharper than any Earth creature, and a roar that echoes through the glowing trees, it rules the shadows. Best admired from a very safe distance. Meet the Solarion, a majestic flying herbivore, as graceful as it is peaceful. It soars through the skies in search of bioluminescent fruits and fears no predator. Its elegant flight and shimmering skin make it one of K218b's most iconic creatures. This is the Thandarok, the largest herbivore on planet K218b. Calm and majestic, it watches over the forest like a true guardian. Its powerful call echoes through the floating mountains, but it only fights to protect its kind. Ayumi, your taxi is ready. The 1899 is waiting for you on the space-based landing pad.
We need to gain altitude to spot the largest flying creature on this planet. Stay alert, explorers!
This is the giant Leonopteryx, the most fearsome aerial predator of planet K218. Its wingspan exceeds 20 meters, and its flight can stir winds strong enough to shake a spacecraft. Yet despite its power, it's a majestic creature that only approaches those it finds worthy.
Ayumi Domino. I repeat, Ayumi Domino. I think this Thandarok wants to take us somewhere. Follow us. Don't lose sight of us. Wow! This is the megacity of K218b. Let's go meet its inhabitants. What an amazing view! Hello, dear inhabitants. I'm Ayumi from planet Earth. I come in peace.
People of Earth, welcome to K218b. Here, every creature, from the gentle Strelomel to the mighty Thandarok, is a guardian of balance. We live alongside them, not as rulers, but as companions. Our cities shine with the technology born from the forest itself, designed to honor life. Remember, progress only matters when it rises with nature, not against it. May your journey on our world be one of wonder, for on K218b, harmony is our greatest invention.
All right, explorer friends. It's time for Domino and me to begin our return journey back to planet Earth. I hope you enjoyed discovering this amazing planet. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and leave a comment. See you soon!